welcome back. We are going to take a look at our project where we're going to look further at each of Canada's geographical regions. We're beginning with the Interior Plains. We live in the Interior Plains, and so this would be a great way for us to be taking a look at how do I go out and find some research items? How do I take that and write it into a jot note and then decide where I'm going to place it on my organizer? So here's the organizer that we have for our research for the Interior Plains, and each of the boxes have a category. And so you'll want to familiarize yourself with what belongs in each of those categories. So if you look at instructions, it might have some notes there for you, or if you've created your organizer, make some decisions about where you want to put your information. So if I was to open a map, I might notice that within the Interior Plains, we have some major cities. So Edmonton and Calgary are both a part of the Interior Plains. So when I look here, major cities, I want to put that in a jot note. A jot note is just brief information that's going to remind me, in this case, that Edmonton and Calgary are major cities. So Interior Plains, major cities, and my jot note, Edmonton and Calgary. Now, another thing I might have noticed as I looked at a map is that there are some national parks. So I could have Elk Island National Park. And I don't need to write exactly where it is. I'm just writing enough here in my jot note that's going to remind me that a national park within the Interior Plains is Elk Island. As I'm reading through, I might read some things about the climate, how we tend to have a fairly dry climate. A dry climate does not mean we never get rain, but we're not in a rainy area, so we have a dry climate. And as I notice more things, I could place some more jot notes down there. Another thing I might notice or hear as I'm reading and watching short videos about researching the natural resources is that Alberta has oil as a natural resource. And so I can just simply write the word oil under the natural resource. As that's not the only natural resource, another item could be agriculture. And agriculture would talk about livestock and crops. So I could put all three of those words in that box. So now it's your turn to go and take a look, see if you can find some research facts. Whenever you have a research fact, remember to record it in a jot note form where you have simply a few words that's going to remind you of that fact, and then you can apply it to the proper section of your research, and then you'll have an organized chart of research facts about the Interior Plains. Have fun.